The average small business has very limited options when it comes to getting working capital for their business to stabilize or expand. With that being said, let's discuss the cash flow impact of each of the practical options that are typically available to choose from for financing $50,000. First, let's talk about merchant cash advances. The better advances have a 1.30 factor rate over 12 months on $50,000, which all things considered is a highly competitive low rate for this type of financing. One major downside to this, other than the obviously already high cost, is the fact that the factor rate is not an APR, therefore the interest balance does not decrease with payments. Most merchant cash advances are paid back either daily or weekly. So let's look at the weekly payments on a $50,000 cash advance. At a rate of 1.30, the weekly payments on a 12-month cash advance is $1,250 per week. If you were to calculate this into a monthly payment, that would be $5,416.67 per month. That is a high cash flow impact. Another downside is that these types of funding solutions have UCC filings that lie in all of the assets of the business, and so they are therefore not truly unsecured. Now let's talk about a bank term loan. The average unsecured bank term loan is a 3-year term loan that lands somewhere around 24% APR. One additional major downside to this is the high origination fees. The average origination fee on a $50,000 bank term loan is 6%. So let's look at the facts. A $50,000 bank term loan is going to cost you an average of $3,000 to close and will cost you $1,961.64 per month. This is much less of a cash flow impact and would seemingly be a much better option than a merchant cash advance. There are just a few problems. The credit requirements are usually very high. The amount of paperwork necessary to close these loans are what in the industry we call full doc, which translates to this will be a lot of work and will take forever, statistically for you to probably get declined. And worst yet, with a UCC filing on all of the company's assets, it is not even truly fully unsecured. Now let us look at the program that we are actually here to discuss. Here's a straightforward, no-nonsense breakdown. What we are talking about here is a 10-year prime plus, no collateral, no UCC filing on all of the company assets, no prepayment penalty, flat transparent $500 packaging fee, low documentation, fast turnaround to funding, easy to qualify for, business term loan that is actually affordable. The bottom line is the payments on a $50,000 term loan under these terms costs only $806.67 per month. If you notice, each type of financing has a monthly cash flow impact that is less than half of the type of financing that is discussed in their preceding option. There are no tricks, no crazy broker fees, no back and forth. The program has a simple process and transparent costs. Qualifying is simple. Your business is at least 2 years old. You deposit $12,000 a month or more into your business bank. And if you have a 640 credit score or higher, then you fit the bill. If you are ready to take the next step and apply for this affordable term loan program, you can begin the process at any time by simply following this link to the easy-to-fill-out online application.